High atop Trash Bags headquarters, we introduce to you the Kurt Boone signature garbage truck. Let's take a look. Outer pocket, very spacious. Double pockets on the insides for pens, clipboards, and snacks. Dig a little deeper. Check out those backpack straps, built for comfort and durability. Use it as a briefcase, use it as a backpack. The choice is yours. Side pockets for water bottles, clipboards, and snacks. What's this? Never seen that before, have ya? Turn that backpack into a sling bag quick. Let's take a look. What's at the bottom? Custom stitching. Pocket to put your weed in. Let's take a look at the inside. Also, note the giant clip, because that's what the ladies are looking for. The inside supports massive loads, file boxes, midgets. Oh, what's at the bottom of that? Another box to put your weed in.